Hello everyone, my name is John Albert with Spark Science. It is Sunday, August 30th, and currently mostly cloudy outside. So today I'm going to be going over what Spark Science is, and also talking about the difference between MySQL and MariaDB. So Spark Science is just the brand that I came up with for my IST 210 class. It was created because there was storming when I was trying to think of a name, and there was lightning, so Spark Science. YouTube page is right here, along with the GitHub page. GitHub was just created about an hour and a half ago, so there's nothing really there at the moment. So a little bit about myself, just a background. I'm a student at Penn State University in the cybersecurity program. I'm a part-time web developer on the side, but most of my time is filled up with schoolwork and just being outside in general. So now we're going to get on to the good stuff, the difference between MySQL, MariaDB, and why the heck there are two of them. So we're going to start with MySQL. As DuckDuckGo is telling me, it was initially released May 23rd, 1995, built in C and C++. And if we take a look at MariaDB, it was released about 10, 20 years later. It was written in C, C++, Perl, and Bash. So that begs the question, why did MariaDB split off from MySQL if MySQL was around for so much longer? Quick look at the MariaDB Wikipedia page shows that it was in fact over licensing. Some of the developers at MariaDB were worried about the licensing once Oracle acquired MySQL. Because Oracle, this large company, they may have had plans to monetize MySQL and make users pay for the service. So developers at MySQL at the time decided that they were just going to fork the project and create MariaDB from it. So a look at MySQL licensing. We can see that they have many different licenses. Just a quick look at this page. They have about 4 different licenses here. And specifically this section is for developers who are just looking to use it openly. But the wording is a little bit confusing. To break it down, basically, if you're developing a free open source software application, you can use the GPL license. But if you're not doing it under the free open source software application license, then Oracle gives you another client library that you can still use the GPL license, but it gets a little bit tricky past that. MariaDB makes it plain and simple, easy, because their goal has always been make their product free, make their database code free, and anyone can use it. They just use the GPL license. They even include a copy of it here from back in June 1991. Basically, long story short, it just says you can use our database for free, just include our license. So then this one last article, just talks quickly about the differences between them. Long story short, because I am running out of time, MariaDB is faster and more efficient than MySQL. Thank you for listening. It is still cloudy outside, and I will see you in the next one.